Hey everyone, welcome back to Evergreen Health Tips. Today, we're diving into everyday habits that might be secretly sabotaging your health. We're going to uncover 10 of these sneaky habits and give you practical tips on how to fix them. Some of these habits might seem harmless, but they can have sneaky consequences if left unchecked. So, if you're ready to upgrade your routine and boost your health, stick around. Let's get right into it. Let's kick things off with a habit many of you are guilty of: skipping breakfast. We've all been there, rushing out the door in the morning. Breakfast really is the most important meal of the day, and consistently skipping it can mess with your body's balance. Your body needs that fuel to kickstart your metabolism and energize you for the day ahead. Skipping breakfast can lead to energy slumps, cravings, and impact your blood sugar levels. So, start your day with a nutritious breakfast that includes protein and fiber. In today's digital age, many of us are glued to our chairs for hours on end. Prolonged sitting has become a silent epidemic, leading to poor posture, back pain, and an increased risk of heart disease. Our bodies weren't designed for this sedentary lifestyle. Get up and move around every hour, even if it's just for a few minutes. Take a walk, stretch, do some jumping jacks, just get that blood flowing. We're all glued to our smartphones these days, and this constant scrolling can take a toll on our health. Eye strain, sleep disturbances, and neck pain are common issues. Set limits for yourself, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. Use apps that filter blue light, or better yet, put your phone away an hour before bed. Drink enough water. Our bodies are made up of about 60% water, so staying hydrated is crucial. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, digestive issues, and even kidney problems. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. Eating too quickly can sabotage your digestion and lead to overeating. Slow down, chew your food thoroughly, and savor each bite. Mindful eating improves digestion and allows you to enjoy your meals more. Stress is a part of life, but chronic stress can wreak havoc on your health. We're talking increased risk of heart disease, weakened immune system, anxiety, and depression. Find healthy coping mechanisms like exercise, meditation, or talking to a therapist. Don't let stress control your life. Take charge and prioritize your mental health. Sleep is a necessity. Getting enough sleep is crucial for our physical and mental health. Not getting enough sleep can lead to fatigue, poor concentration, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. So, make sleep a priority. Consuming too much sugar can lead to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Sugar is often hidden in foods, so read food labels carefully. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods, and satisfy your sweet tooth with fruits or dark chocolate in moderation. Good posture is essential for maintaining a healthy spine and preventing pain. Sit up straight, keep your shoulders relaxed, and avoid hunching over your phone or computer. Consider investing in ergonomic furniture to support good posture. Prevention is always better than cure. Regular checkups are crucial for detecting potential health problems early on. Don't wait until you experience symptoms. Schedule those appointments and stay on top of your health. Early detection can make a world of difference. There you have it, 10 everyday habits that could be secretly harming your health and easy ways to fix them. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Start incorporating these tips into your routine and watch how much better you feel. Taking care of your health doesn't have to be complicated. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Evergreen Health Tips.